All EXACOR panels have a top smooth side and rough underside. EXACOR panels should always be installed rough side to framing. Installing EXACOR panels are similar to how common wood structural panels are installed. Typical framing crews familiar with installing wood structural panels should be able to install EXACOR panels. The existing framing crew can easily install the EXACOR panels as they would any 4x8 sheet of OSB or plywood. Traditional nail guns can be used, following the recommended fastener pattern established by the installation manual. A fine-tooth handsaw, gypsum board or drywall saw, or circular saw are all recommended to cut EXACOR panels. For circular saws, using a fiber cement blade may result in cleaner edge cuts, less dust, and longer blade life. Support both ends of the panel when cutting. On the half-inch thickness of EXACOR panels, you may also cut the panels by scoring and snapping. Use a scoring tool for best results. Guidance on cutting mechanical penetrations, or MEPs, and making repairs to EXACOR panels can be found in the Know Before You Go video. Crews familiar with installing wood structural panels should be able to install EXACOR underlayment panels with relative ease. Underlayment panels must be offset from the existing subfloor underneath, ensuring none of the seams align, and at minimum must be at least 4 inches offset. Underlayment panels can be installed parallel, perpendicular, or diagonally on top of the existing subfloor as long as seams between the two layers don't align. Apply subfloor adhesive to the existing dry, clean subfloor. Adhesive should be applied under all edges and in serpentine pattern in the middle. See the EXACOR underlayment installation manual for illustrations on how to apply adhesive. Proper adhesive applications ensures a tight bond. After laying the panel down on the subfloor adhesive, fasten the EXACOR panel using code-recognized corrosion-resistant ring shank nails. For underlayment applications, install fasteners 1/2 inch from edges, 12 inches on edges, no closer than 2 inches from corners, and in a 12-inch grid pattern in the field. When fastening EXACOR underlayment into framing, install fasteners flush to the surface of the panel. For optimal fastening, stand on the area you are fastening to create close contact between the two layers. One of the many benefits of EXACOR's MGO technology is the dimensional stability when wet. EXACOR panels do not warp, swell, or delaminate, so you don't need to provide a gap between panels. We recommend butting EXACOR panels closely together. Repeat this process until your underlayment deck is complete. If items like drywall carts are to be rolled over EXACOR underlayment panels, it's recommended to use temporary OSB or plywood panels as a path, particularly in high-traffic areas or thoroughfares, for the cart to roll over to protect EXACOR underlayment underneath during construction. For more installation information when using EXACOR panels, visit our website at exacor.com.